Hey everyone, it's Courtney Ryan here. I'm so excited to have you join me today. Let's talk about how to tell if a girl likes you. This can be a tricky subject, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Sometimes it can feel like women are speaking a completely different language, am I right? It can be confusing and even a bit frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to decode those signals. By the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident in understanding her actions. We're diving into the subtle and not so subtle signs that a girl is into you. These signs can be easy to miss if you don't know what to look for. Discover the secret signs that she's into you. From eye contact to body language, learn how to read the signals and know if she's interested. Watch now. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 10 telltale signs to look out for. So stay tuned and let's get started. First up, we have eye contact. It's one of the most powerful forms of nonverbal communication. When a woman is into you, she's going to hold your gaze. This isn't just a fleeting look, it's a deep, meaningful connection. And I don't just mean a quick glance across the room, I'm talking about lingering eye contact that makes you feel like you're the only two people in the room. It's like time stands still. If her eyes light up when she catches your eye, or if she gives you a little smile while maintaining that eye contact, game over. She's definitely interested. That, my friends, is a clear sign that she's interested. Eye contact can reveal so much about a person's feelings and intentions, so pay attention to those eyes. Next, we're moving on to body language. Pay close attention to how she positions herself when she's around you. Is she leaning in, trying to get closer? Is her body facing you, showing that she's fully engaged in the interaction? These are all subconscious signs that she's comfortable and interested. Let's talk about touch. When a woman is into you, she'll find excuses to touch you. It might be a playful shove on the arm, a gentle touch on your hand while she's laughing at your jokes, or maybe she brushes a stray hair off your shoulder. These seemingly innocent touches are actually her way of testing the waters, seeing how you respond to her physical presence. Now let's be honest, not all of us are natural-born comedians. But when a girl is into you, she'll laugh at your jokes even if they're not that funny. So if you notice that she's always giggling at your jokes, even the cheesy ones, take it as a compliment. Moving on to something a little deeper, personal questions. When a woman is genuinely interested in you, she'll go beyond the surface level and ask you about your life, your dreams, your fears. If she's asking you questions that go beyond the typical small talk, it's a clear sign that she sees you as more than just a friend. Who doesn't love a good compliment? Compliments can brighten anyone's day and make them feel appreciated. When a woman compliments you, it's her way of expressing her attraction. It's a subtle yet powerful way to show she notices you. These compliments might be about your appearance, like, "You have a great smile," or "Your eyes are so captivating," or "That shirt looks amazing on you." She might also notice your unique style or the way you carry yourself, but it goes beyond the physical. Compliments can touch on deeper qualities. She might compliment your intelligence, your sense of humor, or your kindness. These are the traits that truly matter. Pay attention to the compliments she gives you. They can tell you a lot about what she values in you. They're little nuggets of gold that reveal her true feelings. Cherish them and understand their deeper meaning. In the game of love, taking initiative is key. When a woman is into you, she won't be afraid to make the first move. She might text you first, call you just to say hi, or even suggest hanging out. If she's the one initiating contact, don't hesitate to reciprocate. Sometimes when a girl is into you, she might get a little nervous or fidgety around you. She might play with her hair, fidget with her jewelry, or blush when you make eye contact. This nervousness is actually a good sign. Actions speak louder than words, right? When a woman is serious about getting to know you, she'll make an effort to see you again. She might suggest grabbing coffee, going to a movie, or even just hanging out at your place. The point is, she's making plans for the future, and you're in them. Last but not least, we have remembering details. When a woman is into you, she'll remember the little things you tell her. These might seem like small details, but they're actually huge indicators that she's paying attention and genuinely cares about what you have to say. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dating tips. So there you have it, guys. 10 telltale signs that a girl is into you. Keep an eye out for these signs, and you'll be well on your way to decoding the mysterious language of women. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more dating advice. Until next time, stay confident and keep connecting.